Check it out, there's 500 points up there, we need it. Ah! Now that I've got your attention, don't forget to please like and subscribe. Woo! What's up, guys? Mikey the Monkey here. And today we're playing The Crew 2 for the PlayStation 4. We're gonna do a challenge to where if we score 7,500 points, we'll get to open a surprise Hot Wheels Monster Jam monster truck. So let's get started. Woo! And don't forget to please crush that like and subscribe button like a monster truck. Alright, here we go. There's some 100 points. Oh, we missed that one. Going up the loop-de-loop. Yes, there's 1,000 points on the loop-de-loop. We're getting a bunch of the 100 points. We've only got a limited amount of time to score our 7,500 points. Whoa, check it out, there's 1,000 points up by the half pipe. And we missed it. Man, we needed that. We just gotta keep going. Oh, we missed the 500 points. Let's move along. Yes, there's a 500 points. Here comes a bunch of 100 points. We're hitting another loop-de-loop. Yes, another 1,000. Woo! Another 100. We're gonna be cutting it close. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, a big 500. All right, let's see what else we got over here. We need some big points, and we need them fast. Check this out. Yes, big time backflip, but we missed the other 100 points. We got one of them, but we didn't get the other. Check it out, there's 500 points up there, we need it. Whoa, we got it. 56 seconds left, we gotta keep going. Oh, we got one 100 point, but we didn't get the other. We're at 7,000 points. It's still gonna be close. I don't see no point. Oh, there's some more. I was getting kind of worried. Oh, we only got 15 seconds left. We're cutting it too close. 9 seconds left. I don't think we're gonna get it. Oh, I see a 500 point. Yes, we got it. Woo, woo. And we finished it off big time. That's what I'm talking about. Let's hit up some donuts. Now let's open that surprise Hot Wheels Monster Jam monster truck. Woo! Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. You know you want to. Woo! Now it's time to open my surprise Hot Wheels Monster Jam monster truck. Woo! Here we go. Where's my truck? I scored the points, now I want my Hot Wheels Monster Jam monster truck. And it's not here yet. Bam! There it is. Let's open this bad boy up. Check it out. We've got Predator from the Bone Busters collection. Totally awesome. Woo! Check out Predator. This is one cool Hot Wheels Monster Jam monster truck. It's got a lot of detail on the paint job. Check it out. You can see bones, it's really cool. This is a real cool series of monster trucks from Monster Jam. Totally awesome. Here comes Predator's freestyle run. Let's see how he can do. Look at him go. Oh, he's finishing up with some donuts. Yes, and he finishes off with a big time backflip. That's all for today. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Woo!